Welcome to Bapipai Studios Tech News. We heard quite a few complaints about the new iPhone 14 series, and these complaints are basically of two types. Major complaint we are getting in Indian variants, and it is heard most from Indian zone, and some complaints are heard in global variant too. But 90% complaints are heard in Indian variant, which we heard about similar problem in Indian variant of Nothing phone. So what I wanted to say mainly is that Indian variant phones, after turning on the camera, the screen jumps. There are various problems when installing third-party app. But normally, the problem that was in the iPhone 13 series is that there is a jumps during sensor shifting, which is also seen in the iPhone 14 series. But those who don't record video on the phone may not notice it. Besides, there is some problem in the new operating system iOS 16 of the recently released iPhone. And the problem of iOS 16 has been seen in iPhone 13 series as well as in iPhone 14 series. But already Apple has solved most of this problem. Even in the beginning of there were many more problems in the camera which Apple has often solved in iOS 16. I hope Apple will solve the other problems soon. One of the major issues with the Indian variant of the 14 series iPhones is that if any third-party apps are installed on these phones, this camera takes a long time to open, the screen jumps again, etc. Hopefully we will get rid of those issues very soon, as they are UI issues. We will get out of this problem quickly if the UI is updated. I said at the beginning that the number of iPhone will problem is very small, and because of the only few phones, Apple can easily solve such problems, which is very tough for Android or other operating system because they have billions of phones in the world. Meanwhile, Xiaomi's 12 series phone launch is not getting too late. Even Xiaomi's 12 Ultra has been launched for 4 months, but so far I have received 30 leaks of Xiaomi and it can be called a strong leak. It's clear that Xiaomi's 13 series phone are going to come with 8 Gen 2 category processor. And there is no clear information about the camera configuration yet, but it can be said for the sure that Xiaomi's 13 series phone is going to come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 category processor. However, it is not yet known whether the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor will be in Xiaomi 13 or Xiaomi 13 Pro. But I guess Xiaomi 13 will have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Xiaomi 13 Pro will have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 plus processor. And it's very interesting that 2 series of the brand alone are coming within a year, and Xiaomi's Redmi Note 12 series is also coming later this year. That's also good news. So that was today's tech news. See you in next video. Stay well everyone.